Ang nawang! Ang nawang sa baby! Hello, what's up everyone? So for today's video, I'm so messy. Bitaw, I went to the city kay I have a check-up, laboratory, sure ba? There's something wrong with me, so it's a secret. And right now, our main topic for today, Cliff is eating. Oy! Ito naman na. Cliff is eating watermelon. I got a watermelon for Cliff. I bought it from the city. So there he is. There he is eating the watermelon alone. I am letting him eat alone so that he will learn so that he will learn eating by himself. He actually have not experienced eating by himself because we always feed it to him. We always feed it to him by, even if it's fruit, everything. If it's banana, we feed it, like we use spoon to feed it to him. We don't let him eat alone because he's still young, you know. Cliff, what are you doing, B? You're eating? What's that, watermelon? It's slowly, B, ha? Oh, what happened naman? Cliff, what happened naman na, B? He's actually in the bed, and right now, our bed is, I think we're gonna be changing that one. Cliff is so dirty. Cold. What's the opposite of cold? The opposite of cold is hot. The soup is hot. Hot. The soup is hot. So there's Cliff eating. Yummy. Yummy na, babe. Yummy na. Look at Cliff, so dirty. Cliff. Manadan. Saan na? Be? Ha? Dana na, Be. Be very hungry kayo ka, Be? Gutom kayo, Be?